we have a full spectrum of funds. So kung medyo conservative po kayo, meron po kaming funds para sa inyo. Kung medyo aggressive naman po kayo and gusto nyo tayaan, for example, yung stock market, meron din naman po kaming funds para sa inyo. So again, we have a full spectrum of funds depending on your risk appetite.
And of course, that is why, it's really for the long term. That's why it's very important to partner with a really credible and trustworthy company like Sun Life Asset Management. Okay, next question.
I have another
Yes,
question. Is it possible na maging milyonaryo yung nag-invest ng 5,000 ngayon sa loob ng 20 years?
May computation pa, Miss Rina?
Well, actually, sana dagdagan natin ng 0, no? 50. Kasi nga, as I said, for example, double your money in 5 years, right? So yung 5,000, after 5 years, 10. Then after, 20. Then after that, 40. So dapat, dagdagan pa natin ng ibang 0 kung 50. Diba? So,
be consistent.
Yeah.
Oo. Or yun nga, try auto-invest. So let's do it 5,000 pesos monthly or 5,000 pesos quarterly, and hitting 1 million would be easier rather than, di ba, nasa isang lang pa.
Possible pala. Why not? Yes, and more questions?
And
Yes,
kay
ma'am.
Mateo, di ba nag-i-invest ka na dati sa stock exchange ba before?
Just insurance, ma'am. Sun Life Insurance. This is my first time to invest with asset management.
Okay. So you started also with the 5,000 or syempre more?
I do have a prosperity card, yes. And I didn't start I did, right? Technically, yeah, I did.
So that's in preparation for you and Sarah, no?
Lagi tayo na umuwi dun, ha?
Money for life.
Money for Sarah.
Sarah is life.
Okay, we have a follow-up question from Reggie Bonan.
Sa sumasanay, paano kung na-dead na yung nag-invest? Paano? Mababalik ba? Makukuha?
Actually, if you get any of our insurance products, when the insured passes away, it passes on to the beneficiary. If it's under a mutual fund investment naman, since it's not an insurance, it goes to the estate of the insured. So, that's the regulations in the country right now.
Yan. Assured na po, meron tayong isang kliyente. Reggie po na later. Okay, next question.
Miss Mercy.
Miss Mercy.
Good afternoon po. Kay Mateo, 10 years ka na pala sa showbiz. Ano mga naging changes in 10 years bago pa dumating ang chases coming ni President Duterte?
Maraming changes yan, ma'am. But I think the biggest change in my career just happened maybe 3 years ago, 3-4 years ago. That's when I said to myself, Mateo, you need to start making decisions for yourself. You need to start choosing your projects more carefully, not just your projects, but your endorsements and things you do in life. Because we're all not getting any younger, but we're all growing. We need to think about the future, kumbaga. Diba? So everything, down to my projects, down to my endorsements, even to my sports, and any life decisions I make, I think about it twice. Kumbaga.
Kung with Sun Life ba, masasabi mo ba na always shiny ang love life niya ni Sarah Geronimo?
Siyempre ma'am, walang 100% a love life, di ba? May mga up and down din. Just like when investing your money, di ba? But in the end of the day, 100% masaya at approved tayo dyan. So, okay naman.
Saan daw? Sige, salamat ha.
Salamat na. Thank you.
Thank you, Tito Mers. Next, we have Bernie Franco from PEP.
To our executives, how much assurance can you give the possible clients that their money can be safe? Kasi while listening to you, naging interesado rin ako. Tapos you talked about baka biglang mawala. Parang, syempre, assurance can you give to people na it's safe to invest when it comes to prosperity card?
It depends on which product that you take, no? So, we have many products to choose from, and depende kung gaano ka kakabado. So, for example, if you're the type who is who gets nervous with the fluctuations of the stock market, we have products that are very conservative, like the money market fund, the bond fund, the government securities fund, which you could be satisfied with. Like for example, the money market fund, it's really a very, very safe fund in the sense that it's very steady in terms of the return. But yun nga lang, sometimes it might be considered low. It's like between 1.5 to 2%. Whereas there are very aggressive funds, like for example, our equity fund, which is invested in the stock market, which yun nga, the fluctuations can be very vast, no, very wide. So what we do is that pagka hindi namin kayo hinahayaan. So before you make any investment, we go through a financial planning session with you. We examine your goals, look at your financial situation, what you can afford, what you can put away, what should be your emergency fund, so that we'll be with you as you make your money grow. And of course, there are times when markets change, or when your circumstances change. Which is why now we have this initiative of the Money for Life, to make you realize that there's really different needs for every stage. So we go through that with you so that we can adapt your financial plan to your goals as you go through life.
Siguro to add to what Rina has said, Sun Life has been in the Philippines more than 120 years, the asset management business for about 16. And our funds are being managed by professional fund managers. Siguro sa next press con natin, imbitahin natin yung CIO namin kasi pogi din yun. Kasing pogi ni Mateo, so that he can also discuss with you naman, investment options, etc. on a more in-depth level. But going back, we've been in the country for a very long time. Tulad ng sinabi ng presidente ng Sun Life Financial sa Pilipinas, si Riza Mantari. We've been through 2 world wars. Nakailang presidente na po kami. Nandito pa rin po yung Sun Life. So it is the testament of a commitment to the country and to the Filipinos. At kaya po namin ginagawa itong mga programs na to, Money for Life at ang Prosperity Card, so that we'll be able to help in nation building. Diba? Helping every Filipino start their journey towards financial freedom.
Alright.
Thank you. Kay Mateo, can you reveal how many financial plans may tawag you have with Sun Life? Kasi, if I'm not mistaken, last year sinabi ni Piolo, he has 8. Can you reveal?
I only have one pa lang. I'm not like Piolo yet.
So one policy, and then he's invested in Sun Life Asset
When you get
Management.
married and have kids, then you're right?
Right.
We talk about growth here, and we've seen, ikaw, Mateo, we've seen how much you've grown not just as an actor, but also an athlete. How do you influence Sarah to grow as a person also? Kasi currently we see how much growth that she achieved na. How do you influence each other?
It's funny because I was talking about this. We were in Japan. I was with Yen Constantino. We were in Japan over the weekend, and she says, "Mate, how do you do this? How do you separate work from your real life?" Because she's married now, diba? I said, I think it's very, very important to have a life outside of the business, outside of work. So I have my sports, I have my family, I have my friends, and I have my other little businesses outside of show business. So I separate these things. I always try to tell my friends and Sarah also that it's very, very important to have a life outside of the business. It's nice to go to the beach sometimes, just out of the country sometimes. It's for yourself also. You need to have freedom in your soul, in your mind. You can't always be stuck with one thing, because I've realized through the years that this world is so big. There's so many things we can see. There's so many things we can do, and we shouldn't be stuck to do one thing only, and we shouldn't be stuck to only do this. There's so many things out there. So I always encourage them to do other things. Just go, have a free spirit, and just live life to the fullest. That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense.
Pang piliting tanong lang, what do you like to see her do next? I mean, she done pole dancing and
Culinary
culinary course.
I thought
She's
you
been doing
Mary Mateo.
Wag naman muna, wag muna. Ano, but she's been doing a lot eh. She's been doing pole dancing, she's been culinary, and she's been doing a few things, many things. We climbed mountains, we're gonna climb more mountains. Literally and figuratively.
Hindi ka kinakain.
No, but I just encourage her to just open her life, to not just work, but to life, to enjoy her life, because she's already 28 and she deserves it, and I think all of us do. We have to enjoy life.
Thank you, Mateo.
Thank you, po.
Okay, before I give the mic to Janice, we have a question here from Mars.
Thank you po, Ms. Thea. Hi, Matty. Fan ako ng Singles. At Cinema 1. May season 3 na ba in the works? And follow-up is, were you able to encourage or invite like your co-actors there, like sila Sheena, sila Ana Luna, and Brian, to also, think about and peruse about Sun Life? What Sun Life can offer to them?
I think they've learned a little bit from the show. Like Ana Luna, she's the Sun Life advisor, kumbaga, so she's learning a bit. But aside from my co-actors, I actually got a few prosperity cards for my athletes, my foundation. I have 10 athletes, so I gave them for Christmas last year, birthdays nila. I give the prosperity cards around. And I have a friend that just got married. I gave him 3 prosperity cards that time. So yun.
Will there be a season 3?
Season 3, I don't know yet.
Kasi, di ba pregnant na si Joey Girl?
Yeah, actually, Single won an award last night for
Congrats.
something, I don't know, parang marketing or something. Dove Awards or something?
Golden Dove Awards.
Yes. They won last night, so congratulations.
Congratulations.
Sun Life yun din eh. Sun Life.
Yeah, it's
so,
co-produced.
yeah.
Thank you, congrats.
Thank you, ma'am. More questions?
Last 2 questions. Question from Janice Navita.
Hi, Mateo. Good morning. I'm sorry if I wouldn't agree with you when you said that Sarah is better endorser than you are. You know why?
Why, ma'am?
Of all people, ikaw yung hindi niya na-convince. Right?
May point po kayo.
Speechless si Mateo.
Hindi niya ako na-convince?
Hindi kanya na-convince. She has her own, di ba, endorsement.
Ikaw talaga, ma'am.
Napasandal tuloy si Mateo.
No, I think
pero ikaw na-convince mo siyang mag-triathlon, di ba?
Hindi, I think syempre, we'll give it to her, she's the #1 endorser talaga in the country, and totoo naman yun mo, alam naman natin yun. But me naman, kahit she's the #1, I'm still, I know for a fact, this one is #1, and that's why I'm in it, and that's why I'm encouraging other people to be in it too, diba? So it's like what Ma'am said, it's been over 120 years the company's here. So I have a lot of friends that got scammed. We just came out with this scam campaign also. We took out videos we sent out videos on what to be aware of. We call it Bright, kumbaga. I have a good friend that just got scammed with 5 million pesos with this Com Foods company, but they were able to get it back, I think 2 weeks ago. So I said, bro, dapat pinanood mo yung mga videos ko. Hindi niya pinanood eh. So, yeah.
So number 2 lang yung company ni Sarah.
Hindi ko alam, wala akong sinabi. Ikaw nagsabi sa'yo.
Anyway, Mateo, since meron kayong mga sarili-sariling investment, no, in your personal relationship, minsan ba naisip mo naisip nyo na pag-usapan nyo to have a joint account?
I don't think it's time yet. We don't live in one roof. We have our lives are still separate. She's doing her own thing. She's doing her own thing. I'm doing my own thing. The time will come when the joint account will happen, diba? But not yet now.
Talagang choice nyo yan?
Yes, I think so. It's our choice talaga because we want to grow as individuals first. She'll grow on her own. I'll grow on my own.
Pero sa mga dates nyo, sino babae? Siya
Oo, ma'am. Nag-save talaga tayo sa mga dates na yan eh.
Okay, at least gentleman ka. Kasi meron, di ba may mga couples na gusto nila, parang equal
Actually,
sharing.
sa America, ganun talaga. Hindi naman, I'm not saying that. But when I studied in America, my friends, when they go out on dates, like they separate the bill, talagang the boy pays, the girl pays. Pero that's weird, diba? Filipino culture talaga, I think the guy pays all the time. Diba?
Thank you,
Palakpak
Mateo.
naman. Parang
Mga
hindi.
lalaki dyan, ha? Hindi kayo nagbabae dyan.
Agree.
Pressure.
Last question, Miss Maridol, Miss Mark.
Speaking of individual efforts, no, what kind of investor are you? If you have, let's say, 100% of there's a 100% excess money, no, what percent do you set aside for savings, for, I don't know, leisure, investments? Saka, what kind? Are you an aggressive investor? Do you play it safe by investing in conservative investments?
With asset management, I'll be honest with you, I still have to talk to my JP. He's in Cebu right now. He's in Cebu now. Yeah, he's in Cebu right now. For that, we have to talk. But in real life, I'm very lucky. My dad's always there to tell me talaga nga, that's too much. No, ganito. Because sometimes I tend to go over what I can do. So he always guides me. He says, Mateo, that's not needed. You don't need a sports car. You don't need a house yet. Just get a van, be more economical. So I try to be in the more conservative side nowadays. I don't splurge on sports cars and nice things. All my cars are vans. I always have vans, so I don't have sports cars. But I try to be in the conservative side all the time.
That's good. All right. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for participating in our question and answer portion. All right. At this point, we'd like to announce the winners of our Sun Life Prosperity Card contest. May we ask, of course, Ms. Rina, Ina, and Mateo to please help us award the winners as we call them up the stage. I think these are their usernames on Instagram. Michelle Rose 28.
Vic
underscore B. Bonsol Josephine, Michelle Cohuertas, Jude is here, Ted Claudio, and Leomi 16. Please come up the stage and claim
They
your
get a
prize.
prosperity card?
Yes, they do. And once again, you can immediately activate those cards. All you have to do is approach our friends from Slamsy. Over there is John. And we also have Mr. Ton Patron there by the door. Lapitan nyo lang sila, have the card activated, and you're gonna leave this press conference already an investor with Sun Life Asset Management. Can we have them up the stage, please? Ay, ito pala sila.
Congratulations, sir.